Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on affiliate marketing and email marketing. In the previous lecture we had a short introduction to the concept of affiliate marketing and why is this concept so efficient for businesses and basically why this can be a very good business concept for you to, or business model for you to start. Now let's have a short introduction to email marketing, because email marketing will actually be the tool that we are going to focus on in actually having results with affiliate marketing and as affiliate marketers. Obviously, there are other ways to do it as well, but our focus will be on email marketing. So let's dive into the actual information. Now, first of all, as we have promised you in the previous lecture, we wanted to show you that we actually have results with affiliate marketing and email marketing. And you can see here on this slide that during 1 month, in actually November 2019, we actually had combined earnings on this platform alone. So from affiliate marketing, as you can see my affiliate stats over there, of over $2,000. Okay, so these are real results. This actually exists. So this is what we have managed to get with the methods that we are presenting to you in this course. Now let's go ahead and discuss a little bit about email marketing. So email marketing, first of all, you have to understand that it's still the #1 form on online marketing in terms of return on investment, with an average of over 40x. At some point in the past, it was even more than 44x. So basically, for every dollar spent, if you did things right, you could have gotten a return of $44 back from email marketing, which is huge if you think about it. I mean, it's a huge profitability of 4,400%. But nowadays we have other forms of marketing by using messages, like chatbot marketing and others as well. So maybe email marketing has in some niches has lost a little bit of ground, but it's still the most useful and most efficient type of online marketing that you can use. And email marketing itself is a business. That's what you need to understand. Okay. So it's the most efficient type of online marketing. Now, the other thing is that email marketing, roughly, basically what it stands for, if you think about like a definition for email marketing, it roughly stands for any form of marketing message sent through email to a customer or lead of your business. So for example, let's say that you have a brick and mortar business, maybe you sell paint, right? And you have a list of customers, you have like 300 customers which came through your door and bought paint from you in the last year. Okay, you have a database, maybe it's a physical database on paper or something like that, with the contact details of these people. You put these people with their email addresses and everything in an email marketing service. Okay, these are physical clients which you actually had a physical connection with. Okay, with a physical report, you sold them physically something, but you put them in you put their contact details in an email marketing service. And for example, let's say that every single month, once a month, you do a promotion for them, you give them 25% off or something like that, and you send them an email with that offer. Okay, you send them an email in which you announce those 300 clients, look, this month we have 25% off. That is already email marketing. Okay, so any type of messaging that you do through email which has the purpose to market, to raise awareness, or to sell one of your offers, products or services can be named email marketing. Okay, that was all for this lecture. I hope that you understand the whole concept. And before we finish, for you to understand better how affiliate marketing and email marketing go hand in hand, basically when you have a list of customers, either from your business or a list of leads in a specific niche, let's say that you have a list of contact details or emails of people who are interested in the dog niche, then you can sell to them any product related to dogs, okay, like how to raise dogs, how to train dogs, and so on. and you can sell these products as affiliate. Okay, you will earn a commission if anyone from your email list goes to that specific product, buys it, and you get a commission for that product. Okay, so that's how we are going to combine email marketing with affiliate marketing. Obviously, the secret to this is first to build that email list of clients, and that's what we are going to discuss about in our next lecture.